If your iPhone is stuck on the iPhone unavailable screen, it can be frustrating. But this usually happens for a clear reason. The most common cause is entering the wrong password too many times. When iOS detects repeated fail attempts, it locks the device to protect your personal data. If you have forgotten your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch passcode and keep guessing, the system will eventually disable access completely. Another reason is Face ID or Touch ID failure. If biometric authentication doesn't work and the passcode is entered incorrectly multiple times, iOS assumes unauthorized access and triggers the unavailable screen. This issue is also very common with second-hand iPhones. If the device wasn't properly reset or is still linked to the previous owner's Apple ID, it may lock during setup and show the unavailable message. A broken or unresponsive screen can also cause this too. Touch inputs may register incorrectly, leading to multiple wrong passcode entries without you realizing it, eventually locking the phone. The key thing to understand is that iPhone Unavailable is a security feature, not a system error. Apple designed it to prevent brute force attacks and protect sensitive data. To fix this, click the link in the description to download and install a software called PassFab iPhone Unlock. So after installing the software, this is the user interface of PassFab iPhone Unlock. You have the main option to unlock your iOS screen. You also have other options like remove Apple ID, bypass MDM, remove iCloud activation lock, password manager, and remove screen time passcode. So first click start. If the device is not detected automatically, you need to set the device into recovery mode. There are instructions for different iPhone models. You have image guide as well as animated guide. So set the device into recovery mode. If that doesn't work, you have to try DFU mode as well. There are options to repair iTunes. So once the device is connected, you can start unlocking the iOS screen. Let me connect my iPhone 7. Now my iPhone 7 has been connected, and there are a few notes here like removing the screen lock will erase data on my iOS device. Your iOS version will be updated to the latest version, and also the device should have enough power. So let's click next, and it will be downloading the matching firmware so that you can actually remove the existing firmware and update to the latest version without the passcode. You can also import local firmware from your computer itself if you have already downloaded, or if you want to install any previous firmware without updating to the latest one, which can be really useful for you. So let's download it. The downloading has started, so let's wait for a while. There you go, the firmware has been successfully downloaded. Now the screen lock is being removed, so it's gonna take some time, but it's definitely worth the wait. There you go, the lock has been removed successfully. It's as easy as that. No technical knowledge is required. Now just set up the device as a new one. So PassFab iPhone Unlock is a must-have utility software. If you have an unavailable iPhone, you can directly download it from here. Let me briefly talk about few of its features. It supports the latest iOS 26 and iPhone 17. These are the reasons you might need this PassFab iPhone Unlock software. I already discussed this. In addition to unlocking your screen, you can also remove Apple ID and iCloud activation lock, bypass screen time passcode, and also instantly bypass MDM lock by your employer on your phone. Now, one thing very important, you need to use this software very responsibly. In legal cases only, on your own devices. Do not use it in any illegal manner. This is for personal use only. It has both Windows and Mac versions, and you can download this software free of cost before you purchase the full version. Now, PassFab is offering discount in this festive season. The normal price starts at $36 a month. For 1 year it's $56, and for lifetime license it's $76. But with this code you can get a discount. So try this software if you need it. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching.